Hi there, students. To succumb. Succumb. To succumb means to capitulate, to submit, to yield, to surrender, to cave in. Okay? To succumb. To stop trying to resist an overpowering force or an overwhelming desire. So you could succumb to temptation. He succumbed to temptation and ate the chocolate even though he was on diet. You could use succumb meaning to give up or to give in. He tried to give up smoking, but finally he succumbed and smoked one cigarette, and that was the end of it. To overwhelm, to succumb. The ship succumbed to the storm and sank. And then we can even use to succumb, meaning to die. The patient succumbed to COVID-19. He died. So, the door wouldn't open and finally succumbed to the fireman's axes. So they battered it down. He succumbed to the pressure of his parents and became an English teacher instead of being a musician. Okay, he gave in to the pressure. He couldn't resist it anymore. Finally, he succumbed to my logical arguments and changed his mind, changed what he was going to do. I hope I don't succumb to this virus. That old house, it's finally falling apart. It seems to have succumbed to the ravages of time. So, this word to succumb, it comes from Latin. Succumbere. Suc meaning, well, with sub, under, and cumbere, to lie down. So, to lie down under. That sounds very dead to me. I also noted that this word to succumb is related to a succubus. The succubus. This is a female demon that sleeps with men while they are sleeping. So again, we've got this idea of to lie down. Notice to succumb is a regular verb. He succumbed. He has succumbed. Okay, so to succumb, to give in, to surrender, to yield, to capitulate, to be overwhelmed, to die. Okay, and that's the idea of it. Now, your next question, formality. To succumb. I would say this is ever so slightly formal. Maybe 6 out of 10, 5.5. You could use it in an informal conversation, although it's a little formal for that, but that wouldn't be a problem. And very suitable in something semi and very formal. To succumb. So he finally succumbed to her beauty and did anything she asked. He succumbed to pressure. He succumbed to temptation. They resisted as long as they could and finally succumbed. Okay? So, to capitulate, to give in, to submit, or even just to die. So there you go. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. To succumb.